I'll go.
Hi, good evening everyone. I'm JBS Chaitandang and I'm here. What is the name of this resort? Anyway,
Gitong
this is
Talulot.
Gold Talulot in Tagalog. Gitong Talulot. What is the English of Talulot? Talulot. Okay, now we're here celebrating our I don't know. We're just celebrating something that we like to celebrate.
Yes.
And I want you to meet our cellmates. They're just going to eat their dinner. And hey, come on. I want you guys to say something. What can you say about this resort?
What can you say about the celebration? Come on, guys.
It's nice and it's green.
It's green.
Don't interview them. They're so naughty. Okay.
Okay, I'll give.
Will you please try to put that camera over there?
Looks like it's nothing.
There's the pool. The pool is 5 feet 5 feet deep, and then there's the what we called what's this one? Jacuzzi. And then there's the guy, our guard. This is my palace. This is my palace. I am a jewel in the palace, and I am a jewel in the palace.
Okay, so much for JB.
So
Let's proceed sa mga taong important.
Hi.
Eto si Denden. Ako makain siya ng kimchi. And anong menu natin?
What do you call this? Pancit sotanghon? Tokwa? With sauce? Tokwa.
Ikaw, Jijo.
Tokwa and fish.
And rice. Okay. Ate, di naman ang sabi mo dito sa ano natin?
I know. Sa'yo ko eh. Wala, ayos lang. Ang ganda.
Okay, play. Inuubos niya yung pagkain.
I am breaking the law.
I have plate over here.
Oh, yan na.
This is what we call plate. In Tagalog, plate, oh. We have a glass. It's one of us.
Ano yung plate sa Aristotle?
Oh my gosh! Don't say that name. That's bad word, huh? Okay, I can speak because there's something in my mouth.
In your throat? That's saliva!
This is Bing, the one who will going in London Bridge. We will going to see each other over there.
Yeah, she's the one who owns this one.
Yeah, she owns that camera, but she don't know how to use that camera. And I hate her. Because she did something bad to me.
Ayan. Yung buhay na. Ay, Karen, long time no see.
You're wonderful! This is Karen. She's going to buy a clothes name. I only carry dollars. I only carry pesos. And no, just G's. Oh, that's funny. Dupot sila natin. Hindi mo na makakausap yung mga yan.
JB, sa pang-dive, kukunan kita.
JB! Yung dive daw na ano?
Yung patay.
Yung patay ka na?
Wala pa! Sige, game, go!
Hindi na makatalo. Bilis! Kumusta? Okay na? Okay na!
Madilim nga lang.
Ayoko na nag-dive. Eh, pag nasa mali.
Kasala ka talaga. Ate Rawi, kinukuha na ka.
Dive mo na yan. Sakit mo! Ay, paano sa Ate Rawi? Ate Rawi! Wala, Ate Rawi!
Ate Rawi, dive ka na.
Na, dive!
Hindi naman po kita.
Sabi niya matulis sila. Eh! Wow! Talagang lang. Talon pala, tingnan mo. Talon kayo. Ate,
Merong gusto niyo magdugo. Yung tatlo kami. Meron ka ba, ate?
Hindi magkaroon na red tide. Ay, meron. Ganyan lang sa'yo. O, bilis!